Hi, I'm Hunter from the 90s TV show Gladiators, and I'm here to demonstrate just how solid and secure an endurance door really is. Now behind me is a UPVC door, the type you'd find in an average household, and this is a sledgehammer. So, let's see what happens. Gladiator 1, door 0. My next opponent is a GRP foam-filled composite door. Now I'm going to prove that not all composite doors are made equally. Gladiator 2, doors 0. I'm used to competing against the strongest and the best. The Endurance composite door has a 48mm solid timber core, making it virtually impossible to break through. So, let's put this to the test. Oh, well, I thought I'd do a bit better than that, but Gladiator out, Endurance door wins.